So I decided today, since I wasn't feeling too well and it was raining, I decided to clean up my little corner there with all my outdoors equipment in our spare room. And well, I'm running out of space, and hopefully my husband will make his garage this year. It's a running gag because he's been, I think the last 10 years he's been saying he's going to build his garage and he's not doing it. So hopefully he will, because I'm running out of space. Well, I ran out of space because we actually have our mountain bikes up in our bedroom. Three mountain bikes in our bedroom. We have a canoe in the back. I mean, we need a garage, like ASAP. Because, I mean, oh yeah, and I forgot, I can't show you there, but I can actually. There's our Polk sled, which is a big sled to go camping during the winter. So we really need space. Oh well, just wanted to show you what I've been up to today. See you later. Maybe if I feel better tomorrow, I'll go for a hike. So, bye-bye.